Okie dokes. Anonymous uti Sisnjabs, I'm the victim of my own doing. I want out of a 7-year-old relationship. Sometimes uthando is not enough, and that's exactly what's happening mina. I started dating my partner 7 years ago, and ngisamthandi but 2 years ago she decided to quit umsebenzi and go back to university, and I supported that. I even take care of i-registration nencwadi ezidingakalayo esikoleni every academic year. On top of that, I said angeza azohlala nami so that I can support her as efunda and so that she'd find peace endlini. Fast forward to 2 years later, this move proved to be the worst regret of my life. Usisi uyinuku lomhlaba, akenzi lutho endlini, including taking care of herself. On top of that, unomlenze lo muntu esikoleni, which begs the question ukuthi kanti wenzani mehlele mini usuku lonke. I have to pay for lowo mlenze again ukuze ezokwazi ukubhala, because if she doesn't, there won't be any progress. I can't believe ukuthi on top of yonke le mali engiyikhiphayo sekumele ngikhiphe eka auntie futhi ozosiza la endlini, because we literally live in a pigsty. Yonke into eyenzakalayo kule relationship is only of benefit to her kuphela. I've made up my mind. I want out because akusiyo impilo lena, kodwa akuphumeki. Ngoba ngaganga when we started dating, ngamshaya ngedliso lentando. Every time we have a conversation around ukuhlukana, ukhuluma izinto ezisabisayo like ngingazibulala ngoba angiyiboni impilo without you. If engasho lokho, uthi she'd make sure ukuthi we both aren't happy anymore and she report me emaphoyiseni for rape so that I suffer. Ngaze ngayisitha sezenzo sami. Ngicela ningiluleke left of fam. Ngiyabonga. Ay, ngishilo kodwa ukuthi i-tricky ngempela ke le. Again, I always say, if you're going to play with matches, you better be ready for the inferno that will follow. This guy is in deep, deep trouble. Usemlilo nomkhulu, and he doesn't know how to get out, and that's why he's asking you, rather, to give him some advice on 0861596596. You're more than welcome to also send me a WhatsApp voice note. In number yami ka WhatsApp is 078-934-2827. I'm also available on the socials, the Liftoff on Gagasi FM. Wamdlisa umuntu wakhe, hoping ukuthi she would prove to be phakade. Kanti he is setting himself up for huge failure. What does he do now? Is it reversible? I don't know. You let me know. Is there anything that you know around a situation efananale? Please do give us a shout. Anonymous is listening on the other side. Hello, Xolani.
Hey, Mazwane.
Uyaphila?
Hayi, ngimnandi.
Khona nami. Waganga ke ubafo wa find out.
Hayi, ubafo kange kakhulu kodwa ke kulula. La athatha khona umuthi akaphindi khona.
Yeah, that's my thing. Like, isn't it obvious ukuthi lento wayenza lo muntu wakunika lo akunika kona phindela kuyena?
Phindela kuyena futhi ehambe yedwa kuqala afika amtshela ukuthi hayi angibonanga kahle, yabo? Ngifisa ukuthi lo mama aphalaze. Ngizobuya naye ke kodwa sebuya afika amtshela ukuthi hayi ingathi khona into owayidla. Akazi ukuthi wayidlaphi kodwa ngathi khona into kuzomela uphalaze kanti bekhipha lona ledliso
bamshaya ngithi 1 bangasho ukuthi bamphalizisela ini kahle hle
yobufeyila nje esikoleni sele nemlenze ngathi khona umuntu owafuna uqhubekele phambili
uso maqhinga ke kodwa Xolani indaba unesipiliyoni yini le 2-1 yakho yasibe seduze kangaka nje emqondweni
ngiyakutshela bekulale nje yabuza ikaxela ukuthi ngisiza umfowethu la yawo
okay hayi ngiyabonga ke
baba ngeke nengulube endlini
akayishapha kaze wayengayiboni ukuthi uyingulube esathanda ubhekeni wakhe. Let me go to uMusa. Hello Musa.
Yebo siyeza njani?
Ngiyaphila, how are you?
Hayi ngicrane sisiwami ngicela kahle.
Well, yeah, ngilale kahle, ngavuka kahle, only to be disturbed by ama protests akhona la in the province. Kodwa ke we move.
Hayi nxese sisiwami, hayi ngilale kahle kakhulu.
Yeah.
Sisi ngibingelele kubaleli bomsakazo bebonke endlana nasezandla. Ngihlale la odabeni esize ngalo. Futhi oqala nje uyena oyinuku, yena kaqalakhe. 1 ufake uthando. Uzathi kwi relationship le yakona uyifakile kwakumele ashile intombi yena ayithande angayisebenziseli umuso. Ukuqala nje ngimxeka kubona lokho Okwesibili naye njengoba ehlala nosisi endlini angabheki ukuthi yena uzokwenzelwa yonke into endlini azazomjaja athi uyini mhlambe wayena nje vele u-eda lapho kulokumloku bathi ngoba yena ulethe usisi kuyena ukuthi azohlala for ukusebenzela isikole manje sebheka okuningi ukuthi sekuzokwenziwa naye okunye abakwenze ngokubambisana njengoba behlala bobabili angamjaji usisi for lokho ukuthi usisi ukhuluma ngokuyibulala akamsize phela ngoba uyena wamfaka lento amfaka yona yena nje kaqala akayixazulule lenkinga akabangi indoda ngalento ayenzile bakhona obabunyathi bahleze bengena beyikhuluma lento yemithi akashone kubona abantu abasiza ngemithi axazulule inkinga ayifaka yona thina sibala bomsakazo somnika ama-advice anjenganalawo ngemtshena ukuthi akaqala alungise isimo sasisi amfaka kusona njengoba semjaja manje sekuyingulungu.
Let me ask you something. Since umuntu wesilisa ne and this was done by omunye umuntu wesilisa ake ngibuze kanje bakhona abanye abantu abakholelwayo in ukudlisa umuntu wakho so that kungeza ukuganga abanye abantu esibayeni, right? Why then would you do this to somebody who is not yet your wife? And angisho ukuthi ngiyakuvumela if umuntu wesifazane uzogcina usumthathile umfaka emagcekeni akini vele, but yini le ezobanga ukuthi umuntu umdlisa ungaka-decide nanokuthi ufuna ukumshada ungakamboni kahle?
Sithi ngoba mina ngiwusebenzisa umuthi for ukudlisa umuntu uthandweni angiwusebenzisa umuthi.
So ubuza umuntu wrong.
Ubuza umuntu wrong mina umuthi ngisebenzisa manje mina not ukuthi ngawusebenzisela umkhize wami cha. Umuthi uma usebenzisa nami ngiyazibuza ukuthi ungakanga kanjani ngentombi. Ngona ukuthi umuntu mhlawumbe usebenzisa uqinisa unkosikazi wakhe kuyazwakala lapho. Kodwa nje uqinisa umuntu osathandana nawo akumuthi lo muthi manje usubona ukuthi wena useyingulu mhlambe nyanga ukuthi ukhahlele lento wamfaka yona ikona ngithi akaqale kakhipha lento ayifaka usisi mhlambe usisi uzopick up ngoba sayena yena sesetshenziswa lo muthi mhlambe lo muthi usebenza ngezilwane egazini isisi ngeke ngibeze phela ubaba bechaza ukuthi eminye imithi isebenza ngesuku ifakwe ngazo ngendlela wakhiwa ngayo so mhlambe nayo lento ayiyona uthambe ngiyuthambisa umuthi Putwam into wamfaka yona then abuyela benormal abile usisi wayevele uyena eqaleni.
All right, thank you so much for your call Musa. Mvulane.
Yes, Judith.
Unjani?
Siphila mama unjani?
Ngikhona bhuti.
Ngikhona yazi ngiyajabula nje ukungena kuGagasi ilanga lami lokuqala.
Awu kubonga mina ukuthi usuze wangena. Po. It's advice yakho for Anonymous.
Cha we mama ake ngibeke nje nami. Umfowethu sesithi sithandana naye lo muntu angithi. Ningi leminyaka u7.
Yeah.
Esethi namhlanje useyamshiya ucabanga ukumiyeka. Ne? Because uyivila. Akuhambi kanjalo sonke lesikhathi bemlungisa ingane. Bengamboni yini. Namhlanje usebone bani osengcono kunaye esethi ke usecabanga umshiya ebemdlisile futhi
so kahleke uthini ngoba phela uyakhala uzasafuni yena uthini wena akabekezele noma
no uthi akasafuni yena ngenxa yokuthi uyilivile wrong ubafu wrong akaqhubeka amthande njengoba emdlisile nethi yena amlungise wena mathandana wami cela kanje abe nomgomo ambekela wona because umlahlela bathi
all right
uthi lozomxosa uzobanyela kuyena
mhlambe futhi like the previous caller said mhlambe useyilelivila nje eliselixake kangaka iyo lento amfaka yona at the beginning of the relationship. Thank you so much for your call. Let me get to a couple of voice notes before I go to comments on the socials.
Uyabona nje Jeps lo muntu lo uyalayika sibanjwa kwezudla wayekuzokuba uthi umuntu uyadlisa layeka impela
ulayeka impela uyalayika
sanibona kakasini ayalo Anonza ngingasho mina ukuthi usukositha ngamawala uphaphile ukalawelile kusho ukuthi ngisho njalo because mina ngina 10 years ngithana noma nganyama kodwa ngikaze ngize ngicabanga ukusebenzisa umuthi and angikaze ngize ngifisa kube khona into ewumuthi esetshenziswayo shuthi noba futhi uthengamawala nje wena wayehlisa mkhulu.
Yehlisa mkhulu ngiyakuzwa mina aya because in a situation lapho usugange khona ngomuthi in your relationship, how then do you separate ukuthi lokhu kusewukwenza komuntu siqu sakhe noma sekunale influence yalomuthi engawufaka? Because again it begs the question, if uzokhana uzoba nenkinga ukuthi usisi akazinakekeli, usisi uyinuku, how did it take you so long to see this? Because I think inuku liyinuku ngisho lihlala lodwa. So if usisi was somebody who never took care of herself, surely this is something that you should have seen in the 5 years before umbiza ukuthi azohlala nawe. Umbiza nje because ucabanga ukuthi umuntu ophethe kahle okwazi ukuyinakekela indawo ahleli kuyona. So perhaps ngempela lobunuku lobo osubona when the last 2 years is courtesy of logo owamenza kona. Usokalisa Shenga on Facebook uthi wagwaza ngowakho bafo. Kwaze kwanzima ke kodwa for wena bhuti wadlisa umuntu rather wadlisa umuntu engakamazi nokuthi umuntu onjani. Ake yazama izinto ezikhipha idliso. Uziphombi yazi ugcela amanqoko ukuthi i-braai pack ye pork iyona ezosiza la. Thobile Makhanyile Zikhali uthi mphalazise bafo. Lungelo Bulelani uthi akamkhiphe lento amfaka yona. There is another comment from Muslindo Kuhle Mgomezulu ukuthi akamdlisa inyama yengwe. Lo lizophuma lonke leli dliso abe right bese wena bhuti uze la kumina ngizokuphatha kahle. Ha Slindo Sibindo naso girl usuzwile ukuthi ubafo ubuye athi fafa with some good stuff wena uzafuna ukuya phakathi. Hey ngeke. Anonymous, you played with fire and now you are getting burnt. All right, I think uvuna loku okade ukutshalile. It's not isivuno obusilindele but ikona owukutshalileke. So I unfortunately cannot spare any kindness for you. I don't know ukuthi zingaki kanti istory about relationships that end in tears because of udli so that we need to hear before we realize ukuthi akudlalelwa emapletini afayo. It's not something to scoff at. Akuyona into encane ukudlisa umuntu. So I personally will always advocate for you to not do it. Stay away from idli. So let love be organic. Let love be authentic, let love be real. Now uhlale nomuntu owazi ukuthi uhleli la because uyathanda hayi ukuthi khona into engimenze yona, you know. Also Anonymous, I would suggest ukuthi buyela lapho wathatha khona idliso lelo wadlisa lona ingane yabantu. And if that's not possible, then perhaps try another avenue. Go to omunye umuntu owumlaphi wendabuko, or try some of the other suggestions that the Lift Off fam came through with. Try inyama yengwe. Try i-braai pack ye pork. I don't know. Or maybe just tell the truth, come clean. But mangabe usuyireversileke lento owayenza ingane yabantu, leave her alone. Even if she stops being leli nuko khala ngokuthi uyilona, leave her alone. Uzomthola umuntu ozomthanda authentically and genuinely. Now, I hope you have learned your lesson. Love and light. Godspeed to you as well, Anonymous.